Hot? Is it hot? Tama lang yan, maarawan kayo. Hindi pwede laging aircon. It's not hot, it's normal. Is it hot? It's normal. Is it hot? Or normal? O walang reklamo to. Good boy ano?
Alone. Control chocolate.
Did you touch his fur? His hair?
Yeah, you can touch
His fur. Very nice. Ginugupitin sila ng buhok, kuya. Kayo din nagugupit yan.
Ako, kanya-kanyang gupit yan eh.
Pareho din sa panggupit ng buhok ng tao.
Oh, yung gunting.
Gunting?
Gunting.
Mas mahirap yun ah. Hindi yung zzz.
Hindi. Yung electric one. Yung gunting.
Uy! Ba't gumagalaw ng kabayo?
Nakakakitang ang alam may babae.
Ala. Nag-iinit ah. I'll see you later. Have fun.